Hello, my loves, and welcome. Now, have you ever found yourself chasing a prescription like it's a runaway corgi, frantically ringing the chemist as they're locking up? We've all been there. That's why we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of medicine delivery, specifically how to set up shop right here in good old Blighty. We'll be your trusty GPS, navigating the ins and outs, the do's and the definitely don'ts of this essential service. So buckle up, grab a cuppa, or perhaps something a bit stronger if forms are involved, and let's get this show on the road. First things first, darlings, we've got to have a chinwag about the rules and regs. You can't just fling paracetamol into a basket and call it a day. We're talking about people's health here, so the UK government, like a strict headmistress, has a few things to say. We'll be getting up close and personal with the MHRA, they're the medication gurus, and then cozying up to the GPHC, who keep our pharmacists in check. And don't even get me started on the human medicines regulations of 2012 or the paperwork, but chin up, we'll make it through together. Now, you wouldn't go to a butcher for brain surgery, would you? Same goes for your medicine supply. We need a proper licensed pharmacy, one that knows its ibuprofen from its diazepam. We'll show you how to sniff out a pharmacy that's ticking all the right boxes, from their GPHC registration to their IT systems. Think of it as setting them up on a blind date with you. And trust me, this is one relationship you want to be built to last. All right, we've got the pills, but how do they get from A to B on a unicycle juggling flaming torches? As tempting as that sounds, probably not. We need drivers, my dears, but not just any drivers. We're talking saints with sat-navs, angels who can parallel park a refrigerated van. DBS checks, essential NHS training, you bet. These are the knights in shining armour delivering hope in those little brown bottles. Now, we've got the medicine and the messengers, but let's talk about the actual journey. We're not talking a leisurely Sunday drive here. This is precision planning, people. Route optimization, tracking systems, temperature control. It's all about getting the right pills to the right doorstep at the right temperature and at the right time. No pressure, right? Don't worry. We'll give you the inside scoop on making it all run smoother than a well-stirred cough syrup. Listen, lovelies, gone are the days of scribbled prescriptions and carrier pigeons. This is the 21st century, and we're embracing technology like a hot water bottle on a chilly night. We're talking apps, portals, seamless integration with the NHS, all designed to make ordering and delivering medication as easy as ordering a takeaway. Well, almost. We'll break down the techie bits so even your nan could understand it. Now, nobody wants to think about things going wrong, but a wise owl always prepares for a spot of rain. We're talking insurance, my darlings, the safety net for when the unexpected pops up like an unwanted rash. Courier insurance, liability coverage. It's not the most glamorous topic, I'll grant you, but it's crucial. We'll make it as painless as possible, promise. Think of it as getting a flu jab for your business. A little prick now saves a lot of pain later. Now, before you go renting a fleet of vans and hiring every driver in a 50-mile radius, let's take a deep breath. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful medicine delivery service. We'll talk you through the beauty of starting small, testing the waters in a local market, and then, like a prize-winning sourdough, letting your business rise and expand organically. Slow and steady wins the race, my friends. So, there you have it, my darlings. We've journeyed through the peaks and troughs of setting up your very own medicine delivery service. It's been emotional, hasn't it? Remember, this is about more than just delivering pills. It's about delivering peace of mind, convenience, and a little bit of human kindness along the way. Now go forth and conquer the world of medicine delivery. I have every faith in you.